What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to change the air filter on your Husqvarna or similar riding lawnmower. The only thing you're going to need for this job is the air filter itself. This one is for the Briggs & Stratton Intech 18 to 26 horsepower engines. I'll leave a link in the description below for it. First thing you're going to do is open up the hood itself. Underneath the hood you'll see the cover that covers the air filter. And on mine there's 4 thumb screws. Some of these have 2 with a hinge, but in my case I have the 4. Once you've loosened all the thumb screws, the cover comes up and out of place to reveal the air filter. The air filter, you simply pull it up and out, and then make sure you remove the pre-filter as well. And in my case, these are extremely dirty, so it was overdue for a change. I have 211 hours on these filters. Back at the new filter it says replace every 100 hours of use or annually, whichever comes first. When you install the pre-filter, just make sure you install the mesh side up. Then install the actual air filter and just make sure it's seated down nicely into the groove. Then reinstall the filter cover and tighten down the 4 thumb screws, and you're all done. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Also check out my other lawnmower maintenance videos. I'll leave a link for those up top. And as always, we'll see you in the next one. And if you need to pick up this filter, just a reminder, I'll leave a link in the description below for it.